Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Ivy. I hope you're well. Today I will be showing you how I print my HP Mini monthly inserts. So I usually print it from an Excel. This is a template that I put together that I designed. What I do is I usually print 1 month at a time. So this is a template that is available in my Etsy shop, and what you do is that you choose your month, which is going to be October, and then you choose the year, and if you saw, the days on this template change. And I'm going to choose the year, and once again they change to the correct days and date, and this also changes. So basically what I do is every month I just print out the one I did, like I just did. And also the quote changes. If you see here is September 2022, and here September 2022 September. And then over here what happens is I'm going to change it to the new month, which will be October. And also the quote change and the days change, so I'm going to double check, and I'm going to make sure that it's the first on a Saturday, and it is. So basically this is how I print out my printout. I was actually planning to do a different video, but my iPhone is not working the way it should, so I could not do the regular video I had scheduled, but I will plan to upload that video sometime this week. So I'm just showing my screen. I'm sharing my screen to show you how it works. And also, if you like, you could actually change the quotes. These are my favorite quotes, so I just put a quote for every month. But if you want, you could actually delete this and put the quote that you like. My favorite quote, one of my favorite quotes, the most important thing is to enjoy your life, be happy, it's all that matters, by Audrey Hepburn. And I think that's what's important. Just enjoy your life and to be happy and do the things that you like. So this is what I wanted to show you. And usually what I do, I print out my bills here. So for example, my rent is due on the 1st. So I put rent, and if there's a holiday and I just want to show something, it's the only time it's going to happen. It only happens twice. I didn't want to scrunch it up, and you will have to write the information in the following month. So I'll show you. You have to go over to November and write your monthly here. I just didn't want to scrunch it. It's already a very small planner size. So I said I'd rather just have 5 weeks instead of 6, and then have every month like a whole week free. You can use next month, write in whatever you have to do, and most of the week will be in November anyway. So then let's take a look something else. Let's see, I don't think there's any holidays, but let's say I were taking a vacation, it would be a little bit smaller, and writing would be a slightly smaller. So this is my planner, and then over here we're gonna go down, and usually I put my major focus, like my major 3 goals, and then here I put what's important, what I want to focus on, and then finally I print out here things that I want to study. And this, I really like this system because I could either write it here and print it out, or I could write it out if I print it. And it's one tab per month, so you get up to 3 years, and then you have your whole 3 years. You have 36 months that you have on one tab. It's easy to print. If you could print on 2 sides, if you could print on double sides, this is set up to print on double sides. I could just print it on one sheet, and I have everything set, and I don't really have to be concerned about it. So this is how basically I print my HP Minis. Hopefully when my phone is working again, I can film my HP Mini flip through, and you can see how it looks. For now, I just wanted to quickly just go over this and show it to you. Like I said, it is available in my Etsy store. and there is a link below. If you have any questions or have any suggestions, please let me know. This is a very short video, but I didn't want to go without posting another video, and I hope you enjoy this. Remember to like, subscribe. Bye.